Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 versus Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra.
Display.
Display size. Display size. Display type. Resolution. Next, camera. First camera, 50 megapixel. Second, 50 megapixel. First camera, 200 megapixel. Second, 10 megapixel. And third, 50 megapixel. Video recording. Front camera. Video recording. Grab. Back cover. Frame. Resistance. Next, platform. OS and UI. Chipset. CPU. GPU. AnTuTu score. Storage variants. RAM type. Storage type. Card style. Next, connectivity. Fingerprint. Face lock. Bluetooth. NFC support.